Hún ný byrjun.
Yeah, I would describe it that way, and also I describe it like a poem, you know, with many layers in it. You have to, if I read a poem and you read it, we don't get the same knowledge of the poem. But for me, it's about the environment, about how we as human beings, we take a lot from the environment and the nature, and we don't give it back. And eventually nature will come back at you. I would say just be open and not try to analyze everything as you are watching it. Just watch it, be open, and then you have time afterwards to think about it. Just be open and take it in.
Hún ný byrjun.